Hi everyone! Did you know that you can use the slider gallery in your website.com site builder to create a captivating product carousel for your online store? Having a product carousel is a screen space saving and stunning way to showcase your products and get attention from potential buyers. You can customize the slide settings, including the navigation, buttons, and autoplay and looping options so that it provides the best user experience for your audience. Let's get into it. So I'm already logged into the website.com site builder. I've created my online store already and added my products. If you haven't done that yet, I have a link to tutorials in the description to show you how to set up your online store. Now I want to add the product carousel right under my welcome section. So I'll want it under here. So let's click Add Section. And now we're going to choose Slider. I'm going to scroll. And we'll want to add a text and media slider, which has more control over the text and button styling for each slide item. I'll choose this one here and click Add Section. Now first, let's customize the overarching titles and subtitles and description for the slider. When you click on the slider as a whole, you'll see that right here. Now you can customize those, but instead I'm going to toggle all of them off. This way it lets the products really shine on their own. Now we'll go ahead and start customizing each item on the slider. So for example, I'll click on this one right here. We can go ahead and customize the first slide by clicking right on it. Let's change the image. So on the left, we'll see under Media, you can choose to upload and change or select from files. I've already uploaded my product images to the file manager, but if you want to upload an image, just click Upload File right here. So I've put my product images in this products folder that I created. First, let's go ahead and choose this product, and then click Save. So right now the image scaling is set to fill. I'll want to have that to fit so we can see the whole product. I'll put in the product title. So you can actually edit right here, clicking on the slide item, or look at the fields on the left. So I put in the product title. Under subtitle, I'll put in a unique selling point for this item. And then I'll add some product details for it. So as you can see, I can also type right here. Now it's time to get to the button and link it to the product in our store. So you can click right on the button, and on the left, you can change the label. I'll change it to View Product. Now let's add the link. So underneath that, where it says Primary Button, we'll click on this field. So we'll choose Store, and then we'll click under Select Page, Store Product. And now under Connected Product, click on the product you want to connect to this slide item. And then click Select. We'll save it. So here's how it looks so far. And lastly, for the slide item, I will toggle off the secondary button. So you can go through and customize the rest of your slide items just like this. And if you click back, you can go ahead and see all of the items for your slider. To delete an item, just click on the pencil icon beside it where it says Edit, and then click Delete. To reorder your slide items, again, you can click on that pencil icon and move it up or down. And if you want to add items, just click Add Item. So let's fast forward and edit all the slides with my products. Now it's time to customize some of the settings for the slideshow itself. So click Change Colors and Layout on the left under where it says Slider. So you can customize the colors of the slideshow, but I'll leave mine as is. I'll leave the section layout. You can change the text alignment. But again, I like it left aligned. You can play around with the media aspect ratio. You'll want to adjust this based on your photos. You can choose to make this a full width carousel. For example, that's what that would look like. By having it full width, it can be very stunning and grab attention easily. When it's not full width, it gives it a bit more breathing room. So I'll have it set to full width. You can choose whether you want to add or take away some of the top and bottom padding for the slider itself. I'll remove all the padding. I think that looks good for this design. And now let's get to the slideshow settings. So you can have the carousel autoplay and choose the timing for that. So I'll turn it on. That means it will rotate through the slides on its own. Right now the autoplay delay is set to 5 seconds, and that's pretty good, but you can also minimize that time or add time. I think 5 is good, so I'll leave it at that. Now, if you have it loop, it won't have a beginning and end point. It will just continue even when it gets to the end of your slide items. So I'll turn loop on. For the styling, I'll keep navigation toggled on so that shoppers can click through the carousel to see the products. You can choose the design of your arrow. I'll choose that one right there, and I'll keep the position below, just so I don't overlap the images. And you can choose whether you want to have slide pagination. So that indicates for visitors which slide they're seeing. I'll choose to keep that on. As you can see, it applied right there. I chose the line and dot style. And lastly, you can choose the maximum columns per row. So that will determine how many items are showing per row for this design. For example, you can have it set to 2 or 3, but I definitely prefer it showing 4 at a time. All right, so we're finished customizing the product slider. Let's hit publish to make it all go live. Just click publish right here. Now let's look at the live site. So here is the product carousel I created using the text and media slider. If we click on this button, it will take them to the product in your store so they can add it to their cart. So that's it. It's really simple to create a product carousel using the slider to capture attention and get more sales. Don't forget to subscribe to website.com for more website tips and tutorials, and thanks for watching.